Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to make a comparison between list, tuple, set, and dictionary. As you remember, lists are declared in brackets and they are mutable. It means that we can modify them after creation. We can add, remove, or change item, and duplicate elements are allowed in lists. Then we discussed about tuples. So tuples cannot be modified after creation, and when we are willing to create them, we need to use parentheses. And duplicate elements are allowed as well. Then we learned about sets. Sets are declared in braces, and it is possible to add or remove items, but duplicate elements are automatically removed when we are working with sets in Python. And finally, we are going to learn in this section about dictionaries in Python. So we can add, remove, or update key value pairs. So it is possible to do that. However, the keys in dictionaries must be unique. So values can be duplicate, but the keys must be unique. For example, in the previous example, we had a key called name and the value called Alice, for example. Okay. So it means that the next key is age, for example, and its value is 25. But when we are dealing with dictionaries, I cannot have another key called name. So duplicates are not allowed. Okay. So this is the important concept that we need to know about dictionaries in Python. Thank you for watching.